This video is to show you how to enter your class key to place yourself on my roster for WebAssign. It also shows you how to register your access key if you have already purchased access, either through the Bethel bookstore or through the opt-in plan at the Bethel bookstore. If you have not purchased access quite yet, then you can look to purchase it online, and I will show you how to do that as well. So first thing here is to go to the address bar, webassign.net, webassign.net, and here we will click enter class key. Now at the next page here, when we enter our class key, the first box we will place the Bethel U, all lowercase letters. In the second box here, we will want to enter 4465, and in the last box, 4042. So again, our class key, all lowercase Bethel U, 4465, 4042, and click enroll. When you click enroll, you see that we have our class that is recognized, Math 202, online section 1, William Atkins, Bethel University. Click yes, this is my class. If you have used WebAssign before at Bethel, whether for this class or another class, use the same Bethel U address that you have, follow with your same password, and click sign in. If you do not remember your password, hit forget. A link will be sent to you through your Bethel U address, and you will follow those links to reset your password. If you have never used WebAssign before, you will want to click create account, and under create account, enter your Bethel U email address and make sure that it is your Bethel U address. It has to be your preferred first name and last name. Student ID is optional. You do not have to place it in there. Your birth year. You can choose no to receive exclusive offers and discounts. Enter your password and re-enter password, and then agree to the terms and services we have down here, and click create account, and that will take you to the next page. Now, when I sign in here to show you what you should be seeing on your end of things, it will take you to Cengage.com. Cengage is the parent company to WebAssign, so we are no longer on webassign.net. We are now on Cengage.com. So on the home page of Cengage, you see here for your courses. Now we are in statistics. We're going to ignore those books at the top, and we are going to look right here. Our class is Math 202 online section 1. So we will click into this link here. Notice at the address bar, it takes us from Cengage back to webassign.net. And now we are on the home page of our WebAssign application. Our grace period is enabled. You see here your free WebAssign trial expires soon. It gives you about 2 weeks of a free trial period in order for you to come in and purchase access. So if you want to now purchase access from WebAssign, or you already have purchased and you want to enter your registration, your access code, let's go ahead and click purchase access now. If you already have your access code and you want to register, you will want to click that link, because at the top here you see we will now click register an access code. The access code that is provided to you on that cardboard sheet, you will type in right here and then click register. And it should lead you back to the home page and you will be good to go. If you are looking to purchase access from WebAssign, you will want to scroll down where you will see 2 prices, Cengage Unlimited and Homework and Ebook. Now, purchasing Cengage Unlimited, we don't want to do this. It purchases things that we will not be using. We want to click the lesser of the two. We want to click the price on the right here. So you would click the buy 90, and it would send you to the next page where you would put in the necessary information for payment. Secure that checkout, and you will get WebAssign along with the electronic copy of the textbook. Once you put in that information, you will have access now to WebAssign for the full semester. So we will go back to the home page, and just to see our navigation of the home page, right here you will see the assignments that will be due, and it will give you should give you the date as well for when that assignment is due. communication here, all my communication will be through Google Classroom in terms of important messages. Your grade will be posted right here, and it will be updated every week. Clicking resources, book resources, what do we have? We'll look under book resources. We have uh, different things to work with. Art technology, so working with different languages there, different computer programming. If we go to the first chapter, we'll begin in chapter 2. Notice that for each of these sections, we have additional lecture videos. If we click section 1 of chapter 2 and hit play, we have a nice example here dealing with a frequency distribution and raw data. Clicking 2.2. Again, if you click off to the side here, we have additional videos. So we click those links and click play, and we have our different videos here. If we click Pareto charts and play, we have a different video. So make sure that we are uh, mindful of those resources, putting ourselves in the most successful positions. Scrolling to the bottom right of our page here, you will see our front cover of the textbook. This is our electronic copy of the textbook. Click the link there, and it will bring you to your textbook. Exit out of here, exit, and you see each chapter is listed. So if we'll click into our chapter, say chapter 2, at the very beginning of chapter 2, we now can click the link that will take us to whichever section we want, or we can simply just hit the arrow over here to the right, and it will take us in one page at a time. Chapter introduction, and we will just scroll down as we read and list our examples. Arrow right, and now we're into 2.1. Focus points, right into our textbook, starting with our first definition frequency table, which takes raw data and organizes it in such a way that we'll talk about in our lecture videos. So there, we have our book. And then up here to the left, if we need to go back to the start of chapter 2, if we want to go from 2.1, say, to 2.3, we then can click stem and leaf in 2.3, and it takes us directly there. So again, our WebAssign homepage, where we can view our assignments that will be due in the future, our course grade that will be updated weekly, our additional lecture videos that are given to us from WebAssign, and at the bottom right, our electronic textbook. First thing we need to do, if we don't already have an access code, we should want to purchase access here, choosing the $90 option. Also, if we click this link, it will send us to a link that will allow you to register your access code, and so that will be where you'll want to go for that.